Here comes the money, 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 money. Dollar, 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 dollar.
All right, 8th graders, here we go, here we go, here we go. So we are about to start the stock market competition. All right, guys. So once you click on the link that we're gonna give to you guys for the competition, where we're gonna be doing our investments and all of that, you are going to be directed to this website that is right here on the screen. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on create an account right there. You're gonna type in your Bronx LGJ email, gj@gmail.com. Right? I'm gonna put my username as Oadamis. Password, you could type in whatever password you want. Whatever password you want, right? So let me put LGJ instead. Oadamis LGJ. Boom. I'm gonna register, right? I'm gonna click register. It's gonna say an email has been sent to verify your account. I'm gonna go to my account. I'm gonna click. You see Investopedia right here. Click on that. Then I'm gonna click on this link, email address verification. Bam! It's gonna be done right away. All right. So you'll be able to join the game, right? So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to join Investopedia stock only game down here, 2021, right? And then once you go there, you're gonna click on join a game because we have already created a game for you guys. So I'm gonna click on join. And after you do that, we're gonna search game by game name. And we're actually just gonna type in the keyword LGJ. We're gonna start search. There should only be one game there available right now, which is LGJ Stock Competition. We already have 5 players up in there. 2 of them are Miss Banks and Mr. Sanding. One of them is myself also. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to click join game right here. And after we click join game right there, we're going to type in the password, which is what you see right there, Jaguars. Don't forget the S, Jaguars, right? Join game. And there you go. There you have it. I have my buying power is $10,000, which means I have $10,000 to invest. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to start trading, right? So the way that you're going to trade, and this is for 9:30 in the morning on Tuesday. You're going to make your account beforehand. But once 9:30 in the morning on Tuesday starts, that's when you'll be able to do your first trade. And all I'm going to do here is click trade stock, because I want to trade a stock. And a lot of us have mentioned that we love Amazon, that we want to do Amazon. So right here where it says stock symbol, I'm going to put Amazon, AMZN, click Amazon. And then there you see it, right? Amazon right now is 2,921. I could actually press preview order. And then once it says transition is to buy, right? Preview order. Let me open this a little bit up more. Quantity, I gotta put the quantity. How many shares do I want? I'm only gonna buy 1 share for now, boom. But you could buy multiple since you have 10,000 if you want, whatever you choose to do. Preview order, and then it's gonna tell me I have 1 share. The price is 2,921. There's no commission because I put it so there's no commission, but sometimes you have like some cents. And then I'm going to submit order. And it's going to take about a minute. It takes a minute for my order to be completed. And then once you see it, it's going to be completed, right? So that's how you trade a stock in this website. And that's how we're going to do it on Tuesday morning at 9:30 in the morning. Again, you click trade stock. If you don't remember the stock symbol, you could also write out the name of the company, Apple. And they should be able to give you the stock itself. Apple Inc., right? Don't think it's Apple Fertility Rate Inc. It's Apple Inc. right here. This first one, boom. It's going to tell you Apple is $118.65 right now. I could put 1 share. I'm going to buy it, preview order, and then submit order because I only want to buy 1 share. Bam. All right. There you go. Okay? And that's how we do it, y'all. That's how we do it. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I hope this video helps you out. Peace.
Woo! Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Peace, y'all. Peace, peace, peace.